Would you like a peek inside my Christmas planner? I know you want to. Keep watching. Make sure you stay tuned right to the very end to see how you can get yours for free. This guy is my main Christmas planner. It has all the things that I need from year to year. It comes out every year. It has lists of people I want to give gifts to. It has other lists. It has addresses, things like that that I need from year to year. These, on the other hand, get used almost every day leading up to December. So this is the one that I used, that I made for this year. Just made it up last night, and it has jingle bells. And I'm going to go through it with you first, and then I'll show you a couple of the older ones to show you how I filled it out. So I printed off a couple of blank pages, and I'll show you what I do with those, but some of them are blank, and then you move into my Dream Christmas. If you've taken my Plan Your Christmas class, then you'll know what this is for. We want to dream up a big, perfect Christmas, and then narrow it down with our reality filters. Then we have the to-do list, and I have 4 pages of these. I usually don't fill out the whole thing, so it probably was a mistake, but that's okay. I think I'm busier than I actually am. And I put a piece of trim on the edge so that when it's closed in my traveler's notebook, it's really easy to find, because this is the page I use the most. Then there's the gift list. I have the person, their likes and passions, brainstorm gift ideas, final idea, got it, wrapped it, and deliver or sent. So I just check off each one or put in items into those. And it comes in handy, especially when I am stuck on a gift. So the brainstorming and their likes really comes in handy. So I also have 4 of these, but this one on the other hand gets filled up because I have a lot of people in my family. Some more blank pages. I'll show you those in the other ones. And then I have my Christmas card checklist. So these are the different, because I make my own Christmas cards. So these are the steps that I need to take from conception of what I want to do to sent in the post office, gone to people. And I love it. And then I have a few more blank pages at the end. All right, now let's go through some of the ones that I've used in the past. This is the one that I used last year. Now this page is blank because I wanted to make a title page and I never got around to it. But that's okay. Christmas was still fun. Then this page has all people in my family and some brainstorming of gifts, because we do a little more with just the family compared to the gift list, which is people outside our house. This is my Dream Christmas. Because I sort of have this down, I didn't narrow it down and use this page that last year. Here's my to-do list. And again, I have the pom-pom trim, and I put a little bit of washi, make it extra cute. See, I didn't need that extra page. Here's the gift list for everyone. See, this one gets filled up because, and then I have January birthdays because I will send stuff home to Canada with the Christmas gifts. And this is, again, I had my my sketch. And then this is online orders. This is a great way to keep all your orders straight, so you know if it's come, if you're still waiting on something, if it's lost. I order a lot of stuff online, so it's really helpful for me and keep everything straight. And then we go away, so it's a packing list. And then resolution ideas, which is really good. So I think I'll do that again this year. This is a couple years ago. I'm not sure which one this is. I put some post-its on the front from after this year so that I would remember the year coming of things that I need to do. Somebody moved, and then other people, different things that I need to know. So this one has a little pocket with some cards in here that I didn't use. I think it was just to be pretty. And then I did end up making a title page for this. So these stickers, you can find these in my shop as well. I have the packing list for our trip in the front, and I put a calendar in this one, which is a really great idea. And these are this is my calendar checklist for when I make calendars for family. That's the kids' music concert. I have my Dream Christmas brainstormed out, and then I narrowed it down to what actually could be done that year. And then I have my to-do list. That's one part. I did put washi on this one too. And I decorated this as well. I did have a few things on the second page. And then the gift list. And then this is where I put the kids' wish lists and ideas and things. Oops, I skipped one. I have more than 4 children. There they are. And then the Christmas one, this was I had naughty or nice. And then online orders are in the back. And that's just an invitation to some Christmas things. So there we have it. Those are my 3 TNs you can find. So I decorated it a little bit more. I couldn't help it. Simple Stories has the most amazing Christmas products. Make sure you subscribe because I have a video with all their Christmas collections and going through all of the products. So if you're subscribed and you've got the notifications on, you'll know when that video comes out, and you can see all the new Simple Stories Christmas products. So I just added a few stickers. They're clear stickers, these ones, which are fantastic. It makes them look like stamps, and the poinsettia is a die cut. They have a die cut set of like countdown numbers from 1 to 25, and so I took the 20 and the 18 and made a 2018. I added a few more of the clear stickers, which makes them look like stamps. I absolutely love them. Then I layered a few more other stickers from a couple of the collections, and there you have the inside cover. Also, on the back, I took this transparent frame and I'm using it as a dry erase marker. So it's super easy, super fun. And I also added a card to the back. Now let's have a look at my Christmas planner in my TN. So it's a simple TN insert. That way I can keep it in my everyday traveler's notebook. Have it with me. This is my regular calendar here. It's November, December. And then I have this at the back. It's always there. It's always with me. So I can check in on how my Christmas progress is going. One thing that I do every year is I print off these review sheets. I've got 6 or 7 and I'll add them into each week of December and November. I'll usually just washi them in. They have a review checklist. So you ask yourself these questions, you answer the questions. It'll help you decide what you can simplify or even better eliminate from your Christmas to-do list. So if you're inspired by my process, by my planner, then I have a treat for you because Big Picture Classes is giving away 30-day trials. So you get a free trial to Big Picture's entire library of classes, including all of mine. So you can take my Plan Your Christmas class for free. You get all of these printables and you get the class so that you can help plan your Christmas so that it's stress-free and you can actually enjoy the holidays for once. So you need the code CARACHRISTMAS. I'll put it below. Follow the link in the description. It will take you right there. Sign up and get learning and start making your Christmas stress-free and fun. Enjoy the season. Enjoy your family. Enjoy it all. And then you'll actually have time to decorate your planner, right? Right. In that class, I take you through 7 different lessons where you will imagine the most amazing Christmas ever. Apply your reality filters so you'll know what kind of Christmas you can actually have this year. Plan it out, review as you go, and every step necessary that you need to take to make sure that you have a calm, stress-free Christmas. So pop over there now. The link is right below. Don't wait. Run, go, plan your Christmas, and have a wonderful holiday. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.